Follow the 6 steps in this video and you will be 90% ahead of all traders and become a better trader in no time. Trading the financial markets can be extremely rewarding, offering the potential for financial independence and prosperity. But it's not easy. It's a challenging journey that requires discipline, knowledge, and perseverance. Whether you're a newcomer or an aspiring trader looking to improve your skills, this comprehensive guide outlines a 6-step roadmap to becoming a successful trader. In step number 1, I explain why education is crucial for aspiring traders. Step number 2 is why paper trading can help you practice without risk. Step 3 explains why it's important to create a solid trading plan and build your first tradebook. Step number 4 covers getting started in a real trading account with a small amount of money. In step number 5, we discuss the most important part of the 6-step roadmap, trading psychology. In the last step, number 6, I will explain why trading takes time and patience and why you will most likely not become a millionaire trader in a few weeks. But if you want to speed up your journey to become a better trader, let me help you. Subscribe to my channel and hit the like button so I can provide you with more helpful content. Hey Deltas, the most common question I get from traders is, how should I begin my trading journey? There is so much information out there that most new traders are overwhelmed and don't know where to start. There is a lot of good education out there from serious traders, but unfortunately, also some advice from fake gurus. They don't actually trade and they don't make money from trading. So let's dive deeper into the 6 steps. Educate yourself. Before you dive into the world of trading, it's important to build a strong foundation of knowledge. Trading is not a gamble. It's a calculated and strategic endeavor. Here's how to get started. Books and online resources. Start your journey by delving into books on trading and finance. You have to educate yourself properly to know the topic very well. You need to learn and understand things like technical indicators, price action, moving averages, exponential moving averages, volume, support and resistance, trend lines, chart patterns, candlestick patterns, and some technical indicators like MACD, ATR, or RSI. You don't need all of them to trade, but it's good to have a basic understanding of them. What's a great way to learn about these topics is to read books. So I'm going to post links below to a couple of books that I recommend. Check them out and get started reading books. Online resources like Investopedia and trading forums can also help you understand the basics. Online courses and webinars. Consider enrolling in comprehensive online courses or attending webinars led by experienced traders. These resources provide structured training and insight into practical trading strategies. You'll learn about different trading tools, market analysis techniques, and risk management. I highly recommend the Bear Bull Traders community. The founder, Dr. Andrew Aziz, author of the best-selling book, How to Day Trade for a Living, is one of the best traders I know. I have had the honor of working with him, and he is a true trading legend. Follow financial news. Stay up to date with financial news, especially those related to the markets you're interested in. This habit will help you understand market trends and the factors that influence prices. Understanding the global economic landscape is essential to making informed trading decisions. By continuing to educate yourself, you'll build a solid foundation for your trading journey. Step 2. Start paper trading and gain experience. Now that you have the theory, it's time to put it into practice. But you don't have to risk your hard-earned money just yet. Enter the world of paper trading. What is paper trading? Paper trading, also known as simulated or virtual trading, is a risk-free way to practice trading strategies. You use virtual money to execute trades based on real market conditions, allowing you to gain experience without financial risk. Benefits of paper trading. Risk-free learning. Mistakes don't cost you anything. Test strategies. Evaluate and refine different trading strategies. Build confidence. Develop the confidence to execute trades in real markets and become familiar with your trading platform. Many online platforms offer paper trading accounts. Choose one that matches your trading interests, whether it's stocks, futures, options, or forex. Look for platforms that offer realistic market conditions and a wide range of assets to trade. I would recommend starting with a free account at TradingView. It's very user and beginner friendly. I put you a link in the description below to get you a $15 bonus for your new TradingView plan. Keeping a trading journal. It's essential to keep a detailed trading journal during your paper trading experience. Record your trades, strategies, and emotions. This journal will be invaluable in analyzing your performance and making improvements. I highly recommend screenshotting every trade and making notes. I have personally started screenshotting my trades, saving them to a Google Drive, and writing my journal in a Google Doc, all for free. After that, I tried several journaling solutions and I'm pretty happy with the one I use now. TraderSync. I can import my trades from my broker directly into the platform and have all the information I need in one place, such as entries, exits, profits, notes, etc. Step 3. Trading plan. With knowledge and some practical experience, it's time to create a roadmap for your trading journey, your first draft of a trading plan or Tradebook. Crafting a trading plan. Set clear and realistic goals. Define your trading goals and how much money you need and want to make. How and when do you want to increase your risk? What market do you want to trade? What time of day do you want to? And can you trade? What type of trading do you want to develop? Swing trading, day trading, or do you want to become a scalper? Risk management. Set risk limits for each trade for the day and your overall account. Entry and exit strategies. Develop precise criteria for entering and exiting trades. Position sizing. Determine how much capital to allocate to each trade. Monitoring and review. Evaluate your plan regularly and make adjustments as needed. Your trading plan is your guiding document. It ensures that you approach trading with discipline and a structured approach rather than relying on emotions or gut feelings. Trading psychology. Your trading plan should also address your psychological preparedness. Emotions such as fear and greed can sabotage your success. Implement strategies to remain disciplined and unemotional while trading. Testing. Before implementing your trading plan in the real market, test it in your paper trading account. Testing helps you identify potential flaws and refine your plan. Step 4. Real account. Once you are comfortable with paper trading and your trading plan is working in your demo account, it's time to move to a real trading account. Funding your account. Start small. Allocate an amount you can afford to lose while you're still developing your skills. As you gain confidence and experience consistent profits, you can consider increasing your capital. Applying your plan. Execute your trades in the real market using the strategies you've practiced. Stay disciplined and stick to your trading plan just as you did in your paper trading account. Risk management. In real trading, risk management is crucial. Never risk more than you're willing to lose on a single trade and use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. As I mentioned in one of my other videos, the most successful traders risk somewhere between 0.5 and 2% per trade. Step 5. Fix your psychology. Trading psychology plays a significant role in your success as a trader. Most traders say that becoming a successful trader is 80 to 90% about managing and improving your psychology, and the rest is everything else. Emotions can cloud your judgment and lead to impulsive decisions. Here's how you can manage your trading psychology. Emotion awareness. Identify the emotions that influence your trading decisions. Fear can cause you to hesitate, while greed can lead you to overtrade. By identifying these emotions, you can take steps to reduce or eliminate their impact. Stick to your trading plan. Your trading plan is your anchor. Stick to it regardless of market fluctuations or emotional impulses. It's designed to protect your capital and guide your actions. Continuous improvement. Reflect on your trades and learn from your successes and failures. Keep a trading journal to document your thoughts and feelings during each trade. Over time, you'll become more adept at managing your emotions and making rational decisions. Step 6. Becoming a successful trader. Success in trading doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey that requires continuous learning, patience, and persistence. Here are some final thoughts. Never stop learning. Stay updated with market trends and new trading strategies. The financial markets are constantly evolving, and successful traders are lifelong learners. Consider attending workshops, webinars, watching videos, and reading books to stay on top of your game. Patience and persistence. Don't be discouraged by losses or setbacks. Every trader experiences them. Stay persistent, maintain discipline, and keep refining your skills and Tradebook. The most successful traders are those who never stop learning and adapting. Seek mentorship. Consider finding a mentor, someone with years of trading experience who can provide guidance, share insights, and help you navigate the challenges of trading. A mentor can provide valuable feedback and help you avoid common pitfalls. Summary. Becoming a successful trader is an achievable goal for those who are willing to put in the effort. The 6 steps outlined here provide a comprehensive roadmap for new and aspiring traders, helping them navigate the complex world of trading with confidence. Remember that success in trading, like any other profession, comes with practice, discipline, and continuous learning. So embark on your trading journey armed with knowledge and a solid plan, and stay committed to your path to trading success. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video and want to accelerate your path to trading success, subscribe and hit that like button to get more videos like that. You want me to cover a specific topic or have a question? Let me know in the comments below.